So you have a very fascinating hypothesis as to what the pyramid, or theory, as to what the pyramid actually was.
Mm-hmm.
And it's based on where the supposed king's chamber is, where those passages go through into it. And what do you think that thing was?
Well, my first book pretty much describes what I thought it was in 1998, which was a power plant. The book is entitled The Giza Power Plant. My second book has evolved, and I describe it as an electron harvester. So, it's kind of like, you could describe it as both, but in, in today, when you do, or people in any decade, they think of a power plant and they see these huge chimneys with smokestacks
Or a
and
nuke plant?
yeah, or a new plant. A power plant, dirty, nasty, unclean. But an electron harvester, clean, pollution free, not a problem.
Has that been achieved conventionally? I mean, today? Is there a thing called an electron harvester?
I think that actually, when you look at a generator, that's an electron harvester, because we don't create electrons; we just harvest them. It's just how we do it, and so when you say an electron harvester, you could say that say a wind generator. You have a windmill, and you have a generator inside it, and then you're collecting electrons off the commutator in a generator.
And that's where the electricity comes from.
And that's your electricity.
Right. Or hydroelectric, you'd use the flow of the water.
Yeah, you don't create you just release them.
You harvest it from a process.
You harvest them through a process.
And the process that you think they used in the Great Pyramid involved those shafts?
It involves a lot of things. Yeah, it's not just one single thing. It's a system. Not a single thing. So when you look
Can we show a photo of that? Do we have a photo of the pyramids and the shafts and where the king's chamber is? I know you've described this before.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a photo of?
I do. It's in the.
I was trying to figure out which one you wanted.
Okay, this is perfect. This works.
Yeah,
So,
that works.
So these names, the king's chamber and the queen's chamber, you don't think that that's actually a king's chamber or a queen's chamber? You think it's something else?
Well, out of respect to the Egyptians, I
Call it what they say
call
it
them.
is.
Yeah.
Okay.